Hey guys, this is Lane from RocketNode Hosting, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a QBCORE framework on your RocketNode 5M server. So the first thing we want to do is click login and go to the game panel. If you're not logged in, just log in and then, you will be brought here. Select the server that you're looking to work with. If you have multiple servers with us, just make sure you select the right one. And now this is where we install QBCORE. It's super simple. There's no dragging resources. We make it super easy with our framework installer. So you want to go to the bottom left and click framework installer. You're going to see all these different options. For this video, we're going to click QBCORE. We're going to click install. This usually takes 20-30 seconds, but it's literally decompiling an entire QBCORE server for you and your community within one click, as well as creating the database and linking it all automatically. So let this do its thing. Perfect. Base installed successfully. Now, there's a critical step here that we have to do so that the default resources load as well. So after you install the QBCORE framework and you get that message, go to server settings and click reinstall server. This does not remove any of the QBCORE resources we just added. It just updates the 5M artifacts along with adds back the default 5M files so that the server starts perfectly. So we could see the process of that in the server console. Done. See how fast that was? Perfect. What you'll notice now, after you installed that QBCORE framework, you will have a QBCORE database here, which you could access by clicking this button that will take us into PHP MyAdmin. And we basically use the username and password associated with this database. And there we go. Now you're totally logged into your database. If you want to make any changes, whatever. We also have, you could use Heidi SQL. Obviously, this is just easier for an online presence. So now all we got to do is start the server. Sorry about that. Perfect. You will see, look, all those QBCORE resources running, database server connection established. Perfect. What it's doing now, it's just installing the chat system with these yarn thing. It's just in one of the recent 5M updates, they added this. So once this is done, you'll see the chat started. But yeah, that is how to install a full QBCORE framework on your RocketNode 5M server. Let's just wait for the chat to finish just so we can restart and show that there is no issues. So look, now we're going to reboot. And it reboots so fast, it's great. So, look how fast it loads. So, there we go. The only thing left is Screenshot Basic. That will just fix itself on its own. So, yeah, that was how to install a full QBCORE framework using RocketNode's 5M hosting. Any questions, contact us on Discord or make a ticket or even call us. We're always there to help and can't wait to be hosting your 5M server. Thank you. Have a great day.